Harse, how slow me. BeMa Harse, how is slow me something. She show me the beast and she swallowed a beast for me and she is swing a beast.
What does she sound like?
She sound like this BeMa Harse. She sound like BeMa Harse. I'm BeMa Harse.
What else?
How are you? I Archer. Archer.
Is that what BeMa Harse sounds like?
And I sound
What does she
like
say?
Arch.
What does she usually say? BeMa Harse.
BeMa.
What does she?
I'm BeMa Harse.
And she says, "I love you, Archer."
I love you. BeMa Harse says, I love you, Archer.
Mhm.
Yeah, and she hugged me all the day.
All the day.
And
I
she
know.
hugged me a big hug.
I know.
Yeah.
She gives the best hugs,
And
doesn't
she
she?
says, come. And she says,
Aww.
you got TT. Oh, you got TT.
You got TT?
Yeah. And I pooped TT out my butt.
Archer. Okay, that's enough.
And you said, sit you butt.
Yeah.
You said, sit you butt.
Sit on your butt.
Yeah, sit on your butt.
Mhm. I love you.